At this moment, a completely fresh trend has emerged, something that no creator had really tried before. Without expensive wildlife footage or high-budget cameras like National Geographic, some new channels are gaining hundreds of thousands of views in their very first month simply by combining funny dialogue with stickman animation to portray the wild lives of animals. So, let's take a look at these channels and see whether they are actually generating massive views and earning money. The first channel is called Quanta. This channel has published only 45 videos and gained 18,000 subscribers. With those 45 videos, they have already crossed 3 million views. Their first video was uploaded 1 day ago and has already received 15,000 views. The second video was published 2 days ago and has gained 3,000 views. The third video was uploaded a few days ago and has already reached 10,000 views. If we visit their popular videos section, we can see that their top video has crossed 1 million views, while another video has surpassed 500,000 views. Now, if we look at the second channel, its name is Cole Explains. They have published 22 videos and already gained thousands of subscribers. Their first video, uploaded 4 days ago, received 70,000 views, while the second video, published 1 month ago, received 10,000 views. After analyzing both channels, one thing becomes clear. These videos are currently trending, and viewers are really enjoying this type of content. Open any chatbot platform such as ChatGPT, then go directly to the Google Doc link I have provided, where I have prepared this animal special mega prompt. Copy the entire text carefully. Make sure not to miss a single line. Then paste the copied prompt into the chatbot's input box and run it. As soon as you submit the command, the chatbot will generate 10 unique animal stickman theme ideas on your screen, such as a lazy lion's diet plan, a clever fox's tricks, an elephant's gym workout, or a modern gadget battle between a cat and a mouse. Next, return to the Google Docs file, copy the script writing prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT box. Then find the line that says video topic here and replace it with the title you like. Run the prompt, and ChatGPT will skillfully write your script and generate a complete direction guide for the entire animal comedy video. It will include a funny commentary-style voiceover script. Now we need to create the voiceover. To do that, go to Google AI Studio. Paste the copied prompt there. On the right side, you will see the voice options. Select any voice style you prefer, then click the Run button below. Next, we need to create image prompts for the scenes. Return to the Google Doc file and copy the image prompt template. Paste it into ChatGPT, then copy the script we generated earlier and paste it as well. Run the prompt, and it will generate 5 scene prompts for us. Once those 5 prompts are created, simply type Next, and it will generate another 5 scene prompts. Now it's time to create the visuals for the characters. Copy the image prompt for the first scene and go directly to the Google Flow website. It is highly effective for generating high-quality images for free. Once there, select Image Mode and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the canvas model. Paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT and click the Generate button. Within seconds, a beautiful scene will be ready. For the second frame, copy the next prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Flow, then run it. Follow the same process for scenes 3, 4, and all the remaining scenes. Generate them one by one and download them to your PC or phone. Now that we have all the images, it's time for the final step, editing. For this, I am using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the clips downloaded from Google Flow. Arrange them one after another according to the story sequence and timeline. Set each image or scene according to the narration of the story. Add a transition between every image or scene. That's it. Once everything looks perfect, simply click the Export button. Your high-quality AI Animal Stickman video is now ready to take the internet by storm.